VOT Norway Pögelung Tinkangi Lirim Sisi Nankin Gulia Tamtitashle. Shuga to Kesa the Terin Jenin Tanirin Gaga Geum Pödun Gabgo Tobe Tojin Tin Gab Toyobutar, Terin Yingab Chuzuni the Cheke to Permitic to Chiti Galununzi Domcho Tang, Permimanchi Dul Henzo Gitozu Campus Nam Dembe Chonam Yegu Kunjo Zogo Chebeb Tandade, Nintanirin Tobe Tondu Di Tone, U Permitic to Dini Shiji Niki Permi Timdu Monsabla Winzi Nangyong Yomatang, Gashunki Gu Yang Sigi Nangor Teju Chemichobasogi Dagdan Bede Tojin Reshik Jukdi Nangsong.
Since yesterday, that was the 12th of March, and today, till this time, we had very openly, frankly discussed about the issues on Tibet and the problems being faced by them, and then the consensus, a unanimous decisions as follows, and which we have brought in as a 8 All India Tibet Support Groups declarations. The 8th India Tibet Support Groups Conference brought together representatives of Tibet support groups across India to reaffirm their solidarity with Tibetan people.
Dagdam Tena Zowa Gana Mimanchi Twin Gakab Gi Pötzi Sung Cheyo Batang, Pögi Tumung Mayimbe Churi Tanki Zame Dongshin Beto, Zenju Pömi Dixu Tishin Pöchina Nigi, Tim Twin Gi Gutab Yimbe Wenzin Goba, Gana Mimanchi Twin Gakab Gi Constro Gi Gutab Ta Mimangi Wedem Chebe Pöbe Goti Sotan Lendo, Tundam Gi Tumena de Pöge Ganyu Segoba, Gana Shungi Chino Hoskem Go Chembucho Gi Gu Yangsi Wenzin Gi Gurim Nang to Teju Chebar, Gunchu Shukche Tanta, Gu Yangsi Gi Nangur Teju Chemichokba, Teshin Pömi Lanamebe Uti Chino Hoskem Go Chembucho Lapchin Zetin the Chedo Tang. Lakdun Combo Kani Chola Nelam, Grammy, Singda, Bushet Zeber, Gasuche Koyobreto. Sargul Henzo Dupsam Digalung Hanki, Dilipurg Kutsab Tunju Jingme June Lasso, Tengti Sondu Chion Tang, Lakdu, Sondu Dagdam Koleang and Zugi Kandishu.
Tajitan than the Jaj, Pedun Jabu Sovic, Jayongi, Sojin, the Losum Sumner Sawyer, and Tarinde, Konsjamu Simbuchola, Tenju, Tembut and Deve, Tuzu. Tabduni and Sori, and the Tadinalia, Soja, Mimba Mabuche, and the Koran to get Nedon Trolinship Goblin and Yamshu to Shia Jones.
Now, Tatanda Taring Dojimbena, Tunduki, Dagdamchik, Benaswala, and the Tunduki Dagdam Naulolia, the Zo Tunze Kariku Meta, Digaliatic.
Tatari Dagdam Dinalia, any Tata Sojin D. Tony, any Dana Shungi, Tande, Kisalia, Tajik. Monetanegita, Mirik. Zame Soya Siju, the Chumbe, and it showed the Rishun to Kangata, Jinegab Zamayimbe, and the Tardu Tony, and in Yamgutayaki, and the Jawal Bevadelia, and the Tajidon, lots of your session, 6 so. And Dana Chilia, that in Konzamu Shibusho, Gonu Kujupe, Gudun the David Tony, Gablia, any Grammy Award Stravadelia, and in Tabani, and Kazuta Assembly 6 so. The Neda. Dana Shungi Tony, and the Konzamu Shibushogi, Kandata, Yangsi Tolia, and Tiju Cheaki, any Lamdan Lusu, Nadan Kangichoni, Yomarila, and teacher the Mogo, the Maumbal, the Shevena, and in Gonenzo in Shigme, and in the Yangsi Telia Konzamu Shibushogi, Kandem Potang Tony, and it says the Ding and the Shatan Yores, or Disik Sungudu. And it Tarnishing it, Maumbala, and Pemegi. Zadun any Yabuch Yuma Chevala, any Budun Jabu Sobic Tony, shoot the Rishun Kanji Tolia, and the Koranzogi, that Bezun Tang, and Lada Shake, Dimba, the Sevu says Sundu. On Tani Shingida, and the Kanda Pug in Nadan, the Tindiki, Nadan, Tata, we do Kanadilla, and Sameke, Tony Shakuya, some Shakuya, Nadan Shatu, and then the Koranzo, that Jagami Monk Tony. And detail the chosen Tibetani, any Gayu Rosis in the Sodo.
Now, that the Pugget de Mudani, Chick Zenju Shundi, Pemitizudi, and a Kranzugi, Perchinani, Pumiki, and Chick, Moim, but I didn't sabay, but didn't take on a chick from the Dichik.
That and that Kanda Zanju Pumiki, that Takandan to CTA Labgore, Pumitixu D, any Perchinani, Takanda, Mozap Chimbiki, any Tixu was a show you see again, any content in the district.
So, and Kunga that Nimani Dinalolia, that chick, Sojawa Mabuchi, Kugapchunre, Kunambegi, that Sondu Nalolia, that chick, Nyamshugi, Nyamshunanda, Hanashi, chick, Kunambegi, that Kalora, Pudun Galea, chick Tunanda, the Kandidoji, Sinasa.
That's not under Pudun Jabu Sovic, Sojan, the Donyola, Tarnation, Namjun Sondu Sodu Gale, Tengarishin. 다 다른 지단이 오늘 전에 공식장 부시면 쇼게 다 된슈 된부시하다 아니 현재 송도 중국디기 다 로지 쉬우직 피해대샤 디스도 간다 남교다 만다베 오늘 단에 기시 오늘 한단다가리 장 용서시오 다른 데 송도도 용할 때야다 대비림이야 안도선 다야 디기다 비미트족이 퍼버드즈 소비 전치거리 이나 코란조 남른도 양마 코란조 소소소 땅이 용제든지 시도다 오늘 단에 기 심주 쉬우지 파샤 쉬어
la ta thande gi ga gi phedun gap gyo choshin te theng ge ba chago ro thenga ta theng dun sam chik nang sa re dagdam pe cha re ta dagdam pe we nima dagdam pe wa din zo le ya lagda nang cho re ta thande gi de le ya chik lagda nang cho gan le ya rewa ro ji khazas chang ge na
다 지당당 간주 마음이 내주대 다시도 된데 신고래 신고 말때 다 가장 간주 가면 방부 좋소 간다 다담데 빼셔 지기 되고 말다 간다 내리야 아니 균종 제거 균종 제야 대양 다고 믹스 송이 믹스 송이 돈에 라다 체지죠 체지니 나도 내도 저기 어디 디스도다 나마다 만다베 텐데 배준 신부 시야기 dümbata nyobate do shei
so ni kungla ngaju ngene chen di shwe da na kungla ngene khanen chikem bai
no ta 믹세 nga shuyame ta pöden 잡죠 초보 쪽이 심고 다가 시거는 다 나란주 베베 응원에 에너 로조 제고야 당다 내고 간데시 콘주기 베비나 에는 간주 될이야 저주념다 단단히 야부치어 되래 ngal래 합시 고야기 내주리셨음요
kapter jugdom zegwe kunchen zowo phemi tikzu chitil kalung nonzi toma chothang phemon chitil henzo gi chokzu khembosnam tembe chonam niki kyaga shungi ngone phemi thon phedön to thabar gyap gyor khayon nawar thuji che shubar mase maung par muthu gyap gyor nang kyong yobe begu thang lagdön gena gi phödan phemi to jimbe sichu ngeba the gena khona zamin bar jamling kuila shuge ngeba themnge ingor sungsong.
Today, I stand before you to say that India, in all her magnanimity, has shown infinite kindness and hospitality to the Tibetans for the past nearly 7 decades. Therefore, I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude and that of the Tibetan people to the government and people of India. It is heartwarming to see many of our Indian brothers and sisters across these great nations as members of India-Tibet support groups, and to see you all gathered here in Dharamsala for His Holiness the Dalai Lama and for Tibet. Thank you very much for all that you have done for Tibet so far, and all that you plan to do in the future as well through your strategic plans, as Krimiji was mentioning about Panchayat to Parliament, media outreach. So I'm sure that you will do all this and more.
And I wish to express my deepest appreciation and admiration for your selfless, committed, and steadfast support for the Tibet cause. We, the Tibetan people, deeply value your support and recognize your contribution as truly invaluable and one that will never be forgotten. The world today is undergoing rapid political and economic shifts, and changes are occurring with China as well. In such times of uncertainty and transition, you remain our most vital allies in the struggle for truth. Thanks to the hard work of Tibet support groups across India, the India public has come to better understand that Tibet was historically an independent nation and that the security of Tibet is closely connected to the security of India. Furthermore, it is crucial to inform the India public about the current critical situation unfolding in Tibet today. The Chinese government's systematic policies aimed at eradicating Tibetan identity and the destruction of Tibet's fragile ecosystem. Tibet is often referred to as the water tower of Asia, as it is the source of major rivers that sustain millions of peoples across Asia, including in India. So, protecting this environment is therefore not only a concern for Tibetans, but a shared responsibility.
시제 로숨제 나도 탱제 촉수 유베 갸가 기용 표준 갭교 촉베 초진 탱개바 데이터 갸가기 표준 갭교 촉베 남미 기용 제투바 90 아르키 크리멜라탕 방카시 고야라 남니기 죄베 갸가가데 자미니 페베 표준 갭교 촉베 초미 장숨게 하는 냠슈낭 총와탕 디게 사괴베 촉자와 카지라 탱디 총뒤나 냠슈낭 웨뇽초탕 총뒤토 조원네든 강기토 코돌나 요거 컨디 슈갑 콩남네 탈렌 총뒤토 냠슈낭 워가법 첨부 충시탕 총뒤토 조워게나 슝키 진호 호스캠교 첨부처가 구 영시라 태주탕 최면람네 벽에 간유 셋업 대신 갸가는 표된 코도 빼초수하게 꼴 코도 로브나 여버 대주난기도
Myself Ritesh Jha from Ranchi, भारत तिब्बत संवाद मंच झारखंड चैप्टर प्रेसिडेंट. ओके, मुख्य बातें कल से जो विभिन्न जो हमारे इतने सारे कोर ग्रुप्स के विविध विविध प्रांतों से आए हुए हैं लोग, उसमें मुख्य 8-10 बिंदुओं पर डिस्कस हुआ था कि क्या हमें सारे मुद्दों को अपने पार्लियामेंटेरियंस को एमएलए एमपीज के माध्यम से क्या हमें अपने राष्ट्र की संसद में उठानी चाहिए, ये मुद्दा पास हुआ. फिर परम पावन दलाई लामा जी को भारत रत्न मिलना चाहिए, ये बिल्कुल चूंकि उन्हें नोबेल तो ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है उनको, ये बड़ी बात है. तो क्या हम अपने देश में सबसे जो सर्वोच्च सम्मान है भारत रत्न का, क्या हम उन्हें दे सकते हैं? बिल्कुल हम ये डिमांड करते हैं. और हम सब मिलकर जो विरोध दिवस होता है 10 मार्च को, उस दिन क्या हम सब सभी मिलकर इकट्ठा होकर पूरे जो विश्व के समस्त दूतावास है, जो जिसे हम एम्बेसी ऑफिस कहते हैं, वो दिल्ली में है, तो क्या हम सब वहाँ पर इकट्ठा होकर अपने एजेंडा, अपने ज्ञापन को समस्त विश्व के जितने एम्बेसी हैं उनको हम दें? तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि तिब्बत के इशू को हमारे जो देश के जो पाठ्यक्रम है, मतलब जो उसको हम स्टडी मटेरियल कहते हैं, सिलेबस कहते हैं ना, सीबीएसई आईसीएसई बोर्ड वगैरह, तो हमारे जो बच्चे हैं उनके करिकुलम में शामिल किया जाना चाहिए, ताकि बच्चे हमारे 8, 9, 10 के बच्चे वो जाने कि ये जो चैप्टर है इंक्लूड किया गया है, ये तो हमारे नई जनरेशन्स को ये जानना होगा. और हम लोग अपना काम कर, बट हमारे जो बच्चे हैं वो बच्चे बढ़ेंगे तभी तो आइडियाज़ को लोग जब तक प्रोपगेट नहीं करेंगे, वो फीलिंग्स लाएंगे, तब तक तो विश्व नहीं समझेगा.
Yeah, my name is Rajiv Sharma. I am from Bharat Tibet Samvada Manch. I am from Karnataka. The key point what we discussed in this conference was just a freedom for Tibetans. That's it. Our agenda is only a freedom and independence to Tibetan people.